Blockchain technology is often hailed as one of the most disruptive innovations of the 21st century. It's the foundation of cryptocurrencies, but its applications go far beyond that. From secure financial transactions to transparent supply chains, blockchain is revolutionizing industries across the globe. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into what blockchain technology is, how it works, and why it's shaping the future of the digital world. Let's begin by defining blockchain. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across multiple computers in a way that makes it nearly impossible to alter. Unlike traditional databases, where a single entity controls the information, blockchain operates on a peer-to-peer network. This ensures transparency and security, as the data is shared and verified by all participants on the network, rather than being managed by a central authority. Each transaction that takes place on a blockchain is grouped together in a block. These blocks are then linked together in a chronological sequence, forming what we call the blockchain. Once a block is added, it's extremely difficult to modify the information within it. This is because every block contains a unique identifier, or hash, along with the hash of the previous block. Altering one block would require changing every subsequent block, which is computationally impractical. Now, let's break down how blockchain works. Every time a transaction occurs, it needs to be verified by the network. In a traditional system, a central authority like a bank verifies transactions. But in blockchain, the process is decentralized, relying on the collective agreement or consensus of all participants. This is achieved through various consensus mechanisms. One common consensus mechanism is called proof of work. This is used by Bitcoin and many other blockchains. In proof of work, miners, specialized computers, compete to solve complex mathematical puzzles. The first miner to solve the puzzle gets to add the next block to the chain and is rewarded with cryptocurrency. This process requires significant computational power, making the system secure but also energy-intensive. Another consensus mechanism is proof of stake, which is gaining popularity due to its energy efficiency. Instead of miners, proof of stake relies on validators, participants who are chosen to add new blocks based on the amount of cryptocurrency they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. This reduces the need for heavy computational power, making it more sustainable. Not all blockchains are the same. There are several types of blockchain, each designed for different purposes. The most well-known type is the public blockchain, used by cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Public blockchains are open to anyone, and transactions are visible to all participants. They operate on a decentralized, permissionless network, making them highly secure and transparent. Then we have private blockchains, which are more restricted. Private blockchains are typically used by organizations for internal processes. They are permissioned, meaning only authorized participants can join the network and validate transactions. While private blockchains offer more control, they sacrifice some of the decentralization and transparency that public blockchains provide. Lastly, there's the consortium blockchain, a hybrid model where multiple organizations manage the network together. Consortium blockchains are commonly used in industries where multiple stakeholders need to collaborate but require greater control than a public blockchain offers. This type of blockchain balances decentralization with governance. Blockchain technology is far more than just the foundation of cryptocurrencies. It's already transforming industries in significant ways. One of the most impactful applications is in financial services, where blockchain enables faster, more secure transactions without the need for intermediaries. Cross-border payments that once took days can now be completed in minutes, thanks to blockchain's decentralized architecture. In supply chain management, blockchain is being used to track goods in real time, ensuring transparency and trust. Every step of a product's journey, from manufacturer to retailer, is recorded on the blockchain, making it easy to verify authenticity and track any issues that arise. Another key application is in healthcare, where blockchain helps secure patient records and ensure privacy. Sensitive data is stored on a blockchain, providing patients with greater control over who can access their information while reducing the risk of data breaches. Beyond that, blockchain is making waves in digital identity, allowing users to own and control their personal data, and in voting systems, where it's being explored for tamper-proof elections. Blockchain technology is still in its early stages, but its potential to reshape industries, enhance security, and drive innovation is undeniable. Whether it's in finance, healthcare, or supply chain management, blockchain is making a significant impact, and its influence is only expected to grow in the coming years. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth guides on blockchain, cryptocurrency, and the future of technology. Click the notification bell so you'll never miss our latest updates. And we'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think the future holds for blockchain? Drop your comments below.